Let's talk about project organization. At the beginning, projects are usually small, but over time, the timeline can grow significantly. If you don't organize the timeline in advance, it's easy to get lost in a large number of clips. The first thing to pay attention to is clip names. They are displayed directly on the tracks and help you navigate faster. When creating a fusion composition and a compound clip, you can set the name right away, or later change it in the inspector under the File tab. In the same way, you can change the name of any media file. This name will now be visible on the timeline. It's also very useful to work with track colors. Right-click on a track and choose Change Track Color to visually separate your content. If a track is disabled, its color appears as a stripe on the image of the disabled clip. Proper timeline organization speeds up editing and makes the workflow more comfortable. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about DaVinci Resolve.